promised you, Topps Chrome Retail, and here it is, 2 blaster boxes. And I told you guys the other day when I broke the hobby boxes that I wasn't sure if there were going to be like value packs, and today I went on Walmart.com to buy some CoQ10. I know it's a little too personal, but that's what I was there for. And I thought, let me just look one more time, and I did, and they had blasters and packs. So I ordered 3 of the value packs that I think has 3 packs each. Honestly, didn't really dig too deep. I just threw them in the cart and checked out, because I told you guys if I found them I was going to get them, so that's what I did. So I'll have that probably, I don't know if those, most stuff there is 2-day shipping, so hopefully maybe Monday or Tuesday. But anyway, so these have 4 bonus sepia refractor cards. I don't think anything else is guaranteed. There's no guaranteed hit. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's usually, God, I'm crushing the hell out of this book. That's usually the deal with the, and the value packs probably will also have, hang on a second, trying to salvage this box. Can't get, oh, yep. Okay, they'll probably have their own special whatnot deal of, you get exclusive, those may be pink refractors, maybe. Honestly can't remember. Anyways, so there is our exclusive pack. But first, let's open these and see what we get. If I can get them out of here. Alright. Joe Panic. Jacob Nix. Aaron Judge, 84 refractor, and Dansby Swanson. I also wanted to report back that I did not get any variations or short prints in either of the hobby boxes. I just had time to look before I made this video. I checked everything and nope, nothing. Talion, Future Stars, Carson Kelly, Kiermaier, and Aaron Nola. Mr. Utani, Mitch Haniger. I already got this one, but these are a little bit, I only got 1 of these per hobby box, so that's cool. Unfortunately, I already had this exact one. Trout and Acuna. Phil Meyer, rookie. Rizzo, Juan Soto refractor. That's not bad. Trevor Richards, Manny Margot. Kikuchi, Tatis Jr., rookie. Allard, 84 rookie, and Kepler. Gallo, Verlander, a Michael Givens Prism refractor, and Cody Bellinger. Smoke, David Dahl refractor, Josh Bell, and Pujols. Alright, let's see who we got in this exclusive refractor pack. Oh wow, I like the look of these. Danny Jansen rookie. Yeah, I really like these. Brandon Crawford, Herrera, and Diaz. So I definitely didn't get the best names, but I like these a lot better than like the reverse negative. These look pretty sweet. Let's do this other box and see if my other 4 are better names than that one. Well, they seal the crap out of this, I'll give them that. Alright. You guys go over there, you go over there, you come here. You open. Jesse Winker, Carlos Correa, Acuna, 84, and Edwin Diaz. Glad I'm getting some different 84 players. There's Glaber, Javier Baez, Freddie Peralta Future Stars, and Rowdy Rookie. Yonder Alonso, Alex Vila, Freshman Flash, Kyle Tucker Rookie, and Josh Donaldson. I'm kind of keeping my eye out for anything that looks like it might be a variation. I'm not seeing anything. If you do, comment below and let me know, please. Freddie Freeman, an Alex Bregman Refractor, Adames, and Kristen Stewart. After looking over the checklist of the variations, they should stand out a little bit. It is definitely some different photos. Devers, Matt Chapman 84, Nemo, and Reyes. They're not like crazy different. They don't like have people wearing a hat with a chicken on it, but they are different. Votto, Piscotti, a Suarez Prism, and Patrick Wisdom Rookie. Jake Bowers, Baruki Refractor, Acuna, and Scooter. Alright. What you got for me, Scipia? Miggy, not bad. Ostadillo Rookie. Jose Urena, and Dakota Hudson Rookie. Well, I did get 2 rookies in that pack, but still no like superstars, but a little bit better than the first time around. So that's it. 2 blasters of 2019 Topps Chrome, and I'll have those packs for you as soon as they come in. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you're taking care of yourselves and are doing well, and I'll see you again soon.